Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Tech2Dev. First, let's talk about why a stepper motor might get stuck. Common causes include dirt or debris inside the motor, electrical issues, overheating, or mechanical jam. Identifying the root cause is key to fixing it properly. Common causes of a stuck stepper motor: dirt or debris, electrical faults, overheating, mechanical jam. In this case, I found magnetic shaft is touching the copper winding attachment. This fix is grinding magnetic shaft a bit. You can use a normal drill machine to hold the magnetic shaft like this. If dirt or debris is the issue, cleaning can often solve the problem. Use compressed air to blow out any dust. For more stubborn grind, use a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol to gently clean the motor's internals. Don't forget to clean the shaft and bearings. These are common areas where debris can cause jams. A little lubrication can go a long way. Apply a small amount of lubricating oil to the motor shaft and bearings. This reduces friction and helps the motor run smoothly. If everything works, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your stepper motor. Thanks for watching.